the only exit to reclaim your life from a narcissist. There is one true path to freedom: no contact. This is not an exaggeration. It is the stark, clinical reality for countless people. Many have found themselves entangled in a destructive, controlling relationship. It's a difficult truth to accept, especially when your heart is still tethered by memories of good times, by promises of change, or by sheer exhaustion from the fight. Understanding this principle is the first crucial step toward your survival, toward your sanity, toward your eventual peace. It's the moment you stop trying to fix a broken mirror and decide to walk away from the shards. No contact is absolute for a reason. It's not about punishment. It's not about revenge. It's about self-preservation. So, what exactly is a narcissist? The term is thrown around a lot, often used for someone selfish or who takes a lot of selfies. But clinically, a narcissist is far more complex and dangerous. At their core, a narcissist is a person with a profound lack of empathy, an inflated sense of self-importance, a deep, insatiable need for admiration and control. They see other people not as individuals, but as objects, validation, attention, resources, narcissistic supply. Their world revolves around maintaining a grandiose false self. This lack of empathy is the most critical trait. It's not that they don't understand feelings intellectually, it's that they simply do not care about them. Your pain, your joy, your struggles, only relevant in how they are affected. Narcissistic abuse is insidious. It is often invisible to the outside world. It rarely starts with overt aggression. Instead, it begins with a deceptive and intoxicating phase known as love bombing. Love bombing, affection, admiration, attention. They mirror your dreams and desires, making you feel as though you have finally met your soulmate. This phase is not genuine. It is a carefully crafted strategy to groom you and get you addicted to their validation. It creates a powerful bond and a reservoir of good memories that they will later use to confuse you and keep you trapped. Once you are hooked, the subtle devaluing begins. Gaslighting is a common form of abuse. It makes you question your memory, perception, and sanity. They will deny things they said or did, even with clear evidence. "I never said that. You're being too sensitive. You're crazy." Over time, this constant invalidation erodes your self-trust, making you dependent on the narcissist's version of reality. You start to believe you're the problem, that your reactions are exaggerated, that their abuse is your fault. The silent treatment is a common tool, withdrawing all communication and affection to punish you. They may isolate you from your support system, subtly criticizing friends and family until you pull away. Financial control, constant criticism disguised as jokes, blame shifting, and chaos. A roller coaster of love bombing, devaluation, discard, and hoover. In the face of such profound pain, it's only natural to seek a solution that avoids complete separation. Many victims cling to hope. They try to set boundaries. They suggest couples therapy. They attempt to reason with their abuser. These efforts are almost always doomed to fail. Not because you didn't try hard enough, but because you are playing a game with an opponent who wrote their own rules. Setting boundaries is like drawing a line in the sand while the tide comes in. The narcissist may respect it briefly. That's just a strategic retreat. They see boundaries as a challenge. They will test. They will push. They will violate your limits until they're erased. They may use guilt. "After all I've done for you," or rage, "Who do you think you are?" to steamroll you. Making the decision to go no contact is one thing. Executing it is another, and it requires strategic planning and unwavering resolve. This is not a dramatic exit where you announce your intentions with a flourish. That would only give the narcissist an opportunity to manipulate, threaten, love bomb you back into submission. The most effective approach is to prepare quietly and act decisively, creating a clean break that leaves no room for negotiation or ambiguity. Your safety and success depend on how methodically you plan this severance. It is a covert operation for your own liberation, and you must be the disciplined general of your own escape. The first step is to block all avenues of communication. This is non-negotiable. Block their phone number. Block their email addresses. Block all their social media profiles. Go a step further. Block the friends and family who are their flying monkeys. Set your social media to the highest privacy settings possible. Build a digital fortress they cannot penetrate. Do not leave a single crack open. Answering one innocent text or looking at one social media post is all it takes to reopen the wound and pull you back into the emotional vortex. Next, prepare for the inevitable pushback. The narcissist will not let their primary source of supply go easily. This phase is called the extinction burst. They may bombard you, create fake profiles, or send messages through third parties. They may even show up at your home or workplace. They may alternate between threats and declarations of undying love. Going no contact is an act of reclaiming your power, but it can also be a period of heightened risk. An abuser losing control can become unpredictable and dangerous, which is why a comprehensive safety plan is an absolute necessity. Your physical and emotional safety must be your top priority. A safety plan is a personalized, practical set of actions you can take to protect yourself before, during, and after you leave. Think ahead about potential risks and have resources to mitigate them. Start by securing essential documents and finances. Quietly gather your birth certificate, passport, social security card, driver's license, and important legal or financial papers for yourself and your children. If possible, open a separate bank account and secretly set aside funds. Keep documents and a small emergency fund outside the home, with a trusted person or in a safe deposit box. Identify your support network. Confide in one or two people you trust, share your plan, and set a code word for immediate danger. Memorize their numbers, your local domestic violence shelter, and the police. Shelters can provide a safe place to stay, legal aid, counseling, and support groups. If you live with the abuser, pack a go bag and hide it. Include essentials and document copies. If you fear for your safety, involve law enforcement. Talk to an advocate about a restraining or protective order. Document every instance of threats, harassment, or abuse. This evidence can be crucial to protect you and your children. Once you have successfully initiated no contact, you may expect to feel an immediate sense of relief and elation. While that can happen, it is far more common to enter a period that feels confusing, painful, and profoundly empty. You have been in high alert, your nervous system flooded with stress hormones. The sudden silence can feel jarring and disorienting. You may feel overwhelming guilt, question yourself, and crave contact. The trauma bond is a powerful addiction to the cycle itself. Be exceptionally kind and patient with yourself. Healing is not linear. It's a messy, winding road with good days and bad days. CPTSD can manifest as anxiety, depression, flashbacks, and distrust. Your primary job: sit with the discomfort without breaking no contact. Grieve the person you thought they were, the future you imagined, and the parts of yourself you lost. Seek a therapist trained in narcissistic abuse and trauma, not generic talk therapy. A good therapist validates you, rebuilds self-esteem, and provides tools for CPTSD. Join a support group to break isolation and find community. Rediscover who you are. Fill your space with what nourishes you. Prioritize sleep, nutrition, and gentle movement. Learn to trust your instincts, honor your needs, and rebuild on authenticity and self-respect. Each day of no contact is a victory, a step further into the light. The no contact rule becomes heartbreakingly complicated when you share children with a narcissist. Complete severance is often not possible due to legal obligations for co-parenting. No contact, low contact, structured contact, parallel parenting. Minimize interaction. Create a firm, business-like boundary. They may manipulate, control, and inflict emotional harm. Protect yourself and your children. Keep communication minimal, impersonal, and in writing, ideally through a court-monitored app or email. Limit messages to logistics, scheduling, and medical needs. Use BIFF. Brief, informative, friendly, firm. Be neutral. Do not argue, defend, or discuss personal matters. Be uninteresting and unreactive. Starve their emotional supply. Work with a family law attorney experienced with NPD. Create a detailed parenting plan. Leave no ambiguity. Outline exchanges, holidays, vacations, and communication methods. All changes agreed in writing. Court orders provide a framework. You can't control their time, but you can be a safe harbor. Teach emotional literacy and resilience. Validate feelings. Avoid bad-mouthing. Consider child therapy. Be consistent. Be empathetic. Be stable. Model healthy behavior. Provide unconditional love to counteract chaos. Making the choice to go no contact is not an act of failure or an admission of defeat. It is the ultimate act of courage. It is the moment you stop waiting for an apology that will never come, and stop hoping for a change that is not possible, and the moment you declare you deserve a life free from fear, manipulation, and emotional torment. It is a profound act of self-love and a testament to the resilience of the human spirit. Freedom is the quiet of a morning without eggshells, the joy of deciding without permission, the warmth of reconnecting with those who love the real you. It is the pleasure of hearing your own thoughts again. This freedom is not given. It is claimed, one brave step at a time. If you feel trapped, you are not alone. There is a way out. Your first step may be gathering documents, calling a hotline, or texting a friend. I need help. You don't need the entire path, just the first step. Commit to your safety, your sanity, and your future. You deserve peace. You deserve respect. You deserve a life where you are cherished, not controlled. The cycle of abuse stops when you step out of it. No contact is the bridge to the life you were meant to live. It is a difficult bridge to cross, but your authentic self is waiting.